Hello again. Alright, so we're going to continue our Copic marker tutorial with just one more quick blending video. I drew in the flower in the last one, so I thought, heck, why not? Let's color that one too. So, once again, I just want to show you this real quick. I felt like coloring, I guess, so here we go. So like I explained when we did the leaves, we start with our lightest color, and in this case it is V, put them here so you can see them, V04. You probably can't see what it says, but it says lilac. So we're starting with lilac first. I'm sure you can do this a different way, but this is the way that I learned, and I think that it works good. So we're doing the lilac. Now remember, you will come over this again, so if you don't have every tiny bit covered, you will end up covering it more than once. So now these bleed pretty good, and a lot of that depends on your paper. This is watercolor paper, so it does, I think, absorb more than some things. And my color in real life versus the filming is actually a little bit different. So if you use these colors and you find that they seem different, that's probably why. Alright, so I'm going to pretend that on the light source here that my light is kind of shining more direct on this flower, and so the shadow is actually in the middle. I actually like this better than I like this, but so see how it's, you know, more shaded in the middle section there? There's always something falling in my videos. And that was lavender V06. So if you can see the difference in the tops there. And then this is V09. It's called violet. Oops. Violet. I'll do just the very edges here. And I think I want my middle, I want to leave one little spot there of light reflecting. We don't want it quite that vibrant, so I'm going to actually take my lightest color and just plop. Okay, so then remember, we're going to work out backwards like I did in the last video. So we applied light, medium, and dark. Now we're going back with our lightest one, which, oops, or our medium one, I guess I should say. And we're going to go over that last edge we put in to blend it in, so it doesn't have the harsh edge. And then we're going to go with our lightest one. We're going to go over our other edge, and we don't want to go all the way out because I want to leave some of this color in only one layer. So one thing that I should mention about Copics, if you haven't kind of already figured this out, is that they layer. So kind of like with watercolors or other mediums, you apply a layer of your first color. You can layer that same color over it to get a darker color, or you can go with the next color, if that makes sense. So you could either layer it with 2 coats of the same color, or you could add the next color. Now, something interesting that I didn't plan for, it must be because of the watercolor paper, I'm getting a very defined line, and it looks like a bleed, but It's kind of cool, so I'm not going to worry about it. But there you go. That's the second one, and I think if we maybe, apologize, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. The other thing I'm going to do, just because I want to, is I'm just going to darken this line in, because you can't really see my middle anymore. I'm just going to add a few little blips of black around the edge. I'm actually just going to put some little tiny dots in to increase my shaded area a little bit more. And I don't know if that translates very well on the camera, but it does make a big difference in the overall picture. I'll try to get my light on there a little more. So, thanks for watching.